Go on then.
Come on, lady. Come on, lady. Come on, lady. Come on, lady. Very good. The grass is green, yellow. See? But like, you can do green and yellow.
They're doing their World Day t-shirts.
I'm being a good brother and doing the one tape again.
Yes, and tomorrow's doing the one toes again.
And I'm doing it all night. But from last time, I let Kamal do it, but I'm not letting Kamal do it this time. Because I'm going to get Alright.
Bukaya!
Start by making an outline of the book. Hi guys, I'm going to start by making an outline of the book. Wait, what? How you doing that? Mom, can you put me a pencil?
Yeah.
Wait, why are we doing it outside?
Neffy! Hello, girlie. Come on, Ray. Down in the park.
My dog.
There's a sign on his scooter, and Vontae's down there on his bike. Look how she comes to Mama. Come on, Gilly. Look how she... Oh, hello. You're so gorgeous. Alright, sorry, there you go. Oh, wee time. It's on your way. Wee time. You dare poo now. Neffy. Go on, go. Caller, you have to whistle. Hello, girlie. Go on, go play with them. No, this way. Come on.
Neffy, come.
Yeah, that's it, girlie. Neffy. Oh, sorry. Come on, girlie. Wukaya. Our day in the park as a family. My dog. Any Neffy? Hello. Go on then, go. I said you could. What's wrong? Wukaya. But it's the day out with me boys. Say that. No. What you injured for? Go on then. Go run. Pick a bit. She wants to be all rough playing, that's why. How gorgeous she is. Hi guys, so yes, out with my boys in the park. It's actually really nice. Well, it's cold, but like the sun's out, so it's nice. We had football today. I've already semi-cooked. Now I just thought I needed to walk the dog, and the boys wanted to go out, so I thought let me go park. Not much better way. She can run around, have some fun. Baby can slowly take the steps. He doesn't like to walk much, but he loves the grass anyway. He loves nature. He loves the trees and everything. Oh bloody hell. Okay, Neffy's peeing. Time to... Oh, thanks, Neffy now. And also remember, it doesn't have to be anything big to spend quality time with your children. I mean, going to the park is they enjoy it just as much. Well, mine do anyway. Some children can be ungrateful, but mine love it. And Neffy's enjoying herself. Baby's enjoying himself. Oh, you dropped your toy. Any? Yeah. So, as I said, it's quality time for me, and I can't wait to just, yeah. Nothing new. Stop it. She wants all snuggle. She wants belly rubs consistently. Not happening. Come on then, somebody score for my video. I don't know where the other goal's all the way up there. And there goes the ball.
Score prediction. 3. Score prediction. 5. No score prediction. 6. 3. 6-3 to us. We have 6 there, 3.
And then she jumps up me like, now, nothing new. Come on, come on. She wants rough play. Well, I'm not in the mood for it because my hands hurt from the cold. So I don't want her to bite my hands. Say bye-bye, checking in, checking out. We're going home in a bit.
Yeah.
What do you mean, yo, yo, yo? What do you mean, yo, yo, yo? What are you telling me? We're all packed up and ready to leave now. The goals are in the bags. Yes, we're ready. One of them's there. One time. Have you got anything to say?
I don't know. I'm going to say something.
Go on then.
Come on, lady. Come on, lady. One pound fish. Come on, lady. Very good. One pound fish. Very good. 1 pound fish. 6 pound, 5 pound, 1 pound fish. 6 pound, 5 pound, 1 pound fish. Very, very good and very, very good.
Okay, checking in, checking out.
Checking in, checking out.
On your marks. Get set. One time, you doing it?
You don't want to do it now. Whatever.
Vantai, do you want to say go?
Oh, do you want to say go? You said yeah.
Okay, come on then.
On your mark, get set, go.
Finish line's there, guys. Marks, get set, go. That was fun. On your marks. Get set. Go.
I'm not racing that.
This is a long race. If you stop playing, chill out. If you're not busy. Right, okay. Your marks, get set, go. You shouldn't give up. On your marks, get set, go. Take out.
I beat you. Yeah, Lazaya. Who's moaning now? I beat you. Come here, kiss again. Stop. Stop.
Huh?
Hello.
Come on, no, not funny.
I'm a fat belly.
Take it out, you
Let me eat you. You told me I've got a fat belly.
Okay. We're nearly home. So we're nearly home, walking because we walked to the park today. You went to the post office for me?
When is that? Oh. You went to the post office. Are you going to pick them up?
No.
Huh? You was lying to me, Mom.
Why was I lying to you, bro?
Because you said you did not have the key. Okay. And then.
Okay,
and
he doesn't understand exactly.
no, I do actually. That's all. How about you, Kamara? Just shut the hell up.
Who are you talking to like that? You've got No, stop now.
I won't usually beat them up.
Actually, no, let me push the pushchair in the house instead.